Your portfolio just got hit by Japanese bond yields. A massive liquidation event just rocked the market.
Wait, what? $565 million liquidated in hours because of something in Tokyo.
Exactly. While macro forces are crushing longs, institutional money is quietly making its next move.
That's a huge twist. What are the key developments we're tracking in the last 12 hours?
4 things. The yen carry trade cascade, HashKey's historic IPO approval, and Ethereum's biggest upgrade since the merge.
And the fourth? You mentioned institutional money.
$7 billion in stablecoins, just sitting on the sidelines, waiting to re-enter the market.
Let's start with Japan. What exactly happened with their bond market?
30-year JGB yields spiked to their highest level since 2008. The Bank of Japan is signaling rate hikes.
And that triggered this $565 million liquidation. How are they connected?
It's external pressure. When the BOJ raises rates, investors have to unwind cheap yen borrowing. Crypto is often the first asset they sell.
So we need to watch JGB yields now. Any more tightening from the Bank of Japan could mean more selling waves.
Correct. And there's another institutional wildcard. MicroStrategy's CEO raised the possibility of selling Bitcoin.
That's huge. Is it likely?
He said it's a last resort, but even the mention creates a psychological overhang for the market.
So we have serious macro fear. But you mentioned positive signals underneath all this.
Incredible strength in fundamentals. First, HashKey in Hong Kong just got approved for an IPO.
Wow, that's the first crypto exchange to go public since Coinbase in 2021, right?
Yes, it's a huge validation for compliant crypto infrastructure, especially for Asian institutional adoption.
Okay, that's a massive development. What was the second catalyst?
Ethereum's Fusaka hard fork. It activates tomorrow, December 3rd, and it's set to revolutionize Layer 2s.
Revolutionize how? What does that mean for users?
We're talking 70 to 90% fee reductions for Arbitrum, Optimism, and the entire L2 ecosystem.
That could trigger a major capital rotation into ETH and L2 tokens if it goes smoothly.
And here's a quiet signal. Oracle Protocol mindshare surged 121%. That's pure utility-driven demand.
So enterprises are building with them, regardless of market fear. What other signals are on your radar?
Stablecoin flows exploded 180%. Over $7 billion in dry powder is waiting on the sidelines.
That's the liquidity cushion. When sentiment flips, that capital could fuel a huge recovery.
Also, DEX narrative attention is up 147%. Serious traders want robust, decentralized tools in this volatility.
So what's the strategic read here? It's a mix of bearish macro and bullish fundamentals.
The macro headwinds from Japan are real and must be respected. But the infrastructure is getting stronger every day.
This is moving so fast. How can people possibly stay on top of all these conflicting signals?
That's why we deliver these updates every 12 hours. Smash subscribe and hit the bell to stay ahead.
The 12-hour frequency is critical with this much happening. What's your take on the Fusaka upgrade?
Drop a comment with your thoughts. Bullish or overhyped? We'll see you in 12 hours with the next Crypto Pulse update.